Okay, so this looks like residential, but that right there is 100% Fortuna Hotel. So we're gonna basically go around this block. So it looks like a mix of hotel and kind of businesses, and there's a Compact casino over there too. But this is our focus, Fortuna. So okay, so stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are in Fortuna. Just to give you some context of Fortuna, over here is the expensive side of the street. This is the Grand Prix goes through here. They put up stands for the Grand Prix right here. And on that side there's Wynn, MGM, Ascot Center, Star World. So those are probably run you like 125 American dollars to stay in those ones. But on this side it would be maybe like 25 American dollars. This is all during COVID. I'm looking at the prices right now. I think it'll go up quite a bit later. There's President Casino right there. And I think what we're gonna do is run across in a minute so I can kind of show you this from that side. Kind of cool because this one has like a Chinese theme right here. Chinese restaurant with a Chinese theme. So, okay. So let's run across to this side and then we can get a better context of everything from this side as well. This is a parking garage. People go in and out on this side. There's the president. And then now we can see Fortuna, a little bit better angle from here as well. Kind of put more in context. President, a nice stairwell for president right there. So there's Fortuna. Huh, I think it's kind of cool. It's like that little Chinese thing. But as you can see, it's a Chinese restaurant right there. It looks like it sells fish. It's a fish restaurant. So there's Fortuna. Looks like it's there's a little alley right there, but it's kind of a dark alley. Nothing's in it. So I'm just gonna go around it like this way, and I think there's a casino, Compact casinos on the is around there on the other side, anyways. Pharmacies, stuff like that. Residential, liquor shops, smartphones. Gold. Okay. So there's kind of a big strip of casinos, saunas, pharmacies, liquor shops, which is this whole street right here. And if you go all the way down, there's Emperor, there's Landmark, Holiday Inn, a bunch of stuff. There's also the saunas that are attached to them as well. And here's Fortuna right here. And Lisboa is straight ahead. Okay. Let me just see. Let's just walk across a little bit. Then you can, there's a bus stop right here. So now you can kind of put this more in context. There's also kind of a mix of residential, local residential people live up in these areas. So you can kind of see some of those. There's President Casino again. Then here's Fortuna from the side. So, and then that's Lisboa at the end. Yeah, the lighting is kind of funny. Anyways. Fortuna Casino, that's Grand Lisboa, that funny looking one over there. It's not that funny looking, it's kind of cool looking. That's the street that we're on. I don't know what that is. Okay. Gold shops. Yeah, this street right here, I always see people kind of hanging around. Like mainland Chinese, I kind of hang around here sometimes. I never know it. If they're soliciting something in Chinese, I'm not really sure. Not so many of them tonight though. Maybe it's so early. All right. So that one is the Compact bar. So I think that's the casino. So we might do that casino later. Then this one is Fortuna. So there's a Fortuna one right there. Let's kind of step back a little bit. That looks pretty cool. So yeah, that's the Fortuna, that whole space right there. And yeah, it looks really cool. Okay, there's a policeman right there. Actually, I see a policeman there all the time. So I think this is the This is a casino right here. But now we can see Fortuna from an angle. Just see if I can go back a little bit. So now you can see it better. There's the Fortuna Casino. Then this one right here is a casino, Compact Paradise Casino. And I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep walking around Fortuna, around to the other side, and then you can see it in more in context as well. That's Lisboa right there. Yeah, Fortuna. Okay, so we're just gonna walk straight down this way. Little alley. This is like almost all gold shops. You can see it, watches, goes like that. I film down to this one from time to time. I think usually in the past I've usually focused more on streets, not so much on casinos. Fortuna Hotel and Casino. We're gonna go straight all the way down and then you can get some context to everything. Yeah, this is that other side of that one building that had that kind of Chinese thing on it, right? I'm just gonna go down a little bit. There's that one alley. This is the alley that, so yeah, there's the casino again. We're gonna come out this way. There's another Mabo shop over there. We're gonna go all the way down. Then over here, Rua de Foshan. And then we're in this area. And that's the, you see, that's the Fortuna right there. So let's just kind of go back a little bit. And we'll try to capture this building from this side. So President Casino, Star World, and then this is the Fortuna right there. So I guess we'll end it right in this space right here.